Walmart credit card rewards are redeemed through your Capital One account, and most people miss value because they don't realize rewards are applied as statement credits or Walmart checkout discounts depending on how you use them. By the end, you'll know exactly where your rewards show up, how to redeem them, and the fastest way to use them at Walmart without losing value. Here's how it works. First, the Walmart credit card is issued by Capital One, so all rewards are managed inside the Capital One app or website, not directly inside Walmart's checkout system. Once you log in, you'll see your available rewards balance. That balance builds as you make purchases using your Walmart credit card, including both online and in-store spending. Now here's the key part most people miss. There are usually two main ways to redeem Walmart credit card rewards. The first is applying rewards as a statement credit. That reduces your card balance and lowers what you owe on your next bill. The second is using rewards during Walmart checkout, depending on the card version and how your account is set up. In some cases, rewards can be applied directly at checkout as a discount before payment is completed. Both methods use the same rewards balance, but they feel different in practice. Statement credits reduce debt. Checkout redemption reduces the price of what you're buying in real time. If you want to redeem efficiently, always check your Capital One dashboard before shopping. That's where you'll see whether your rewards are available for checkout use or only for statement credit. Another important detail is timing. Rewards don't always appear instantly after a purchase. They typically post after transactions are fully processed, which is why your balance can look delayed. If you don't see rewards showing up, the issue is usually pending transactions, not missing rewards. The key idea is simple. Walmart credit card rewards are not separate store points. They live inside Capital One's system and are flexible depending on how you redeem them. To sum it up, rewards are managed through Capital One. You can redeem them as statement credits or at checkout depending on eligibility, and delays usually come from pending transactions. Next step is simple. Open your Capital One app and check your rewards balance before your next Walmart purchase so you know the best way to apply them. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe for simple explanations of credit cards and store rewards without the confusion.